How to change Ubisoft account password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your Ubisoft account password. In order to change your Ubisoft account password, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in www.account.ubisoft.com. Now this is going to take you to the official web page of Ubisoft. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. So right on this page, you can see in the left hand side bar, there are multiple options. So click on security, and this is going to take you to the security page on the other side. So then to change your password, you need to click on the change button located next to the password option, and a verification code will be sent to the registered email address. So click on send, which is right over here, and you'll be asked to type in the verification code. So click on got it, open up a Gmail account, and then check for the verification. And here you go, this is your link. So in order to reset your link, click on reset your password, which is right over here, and after that it's going to take you to the new page where you'll be able to reset or recreate a new password. Over here, create the password according to the mentioned criteria below, and to confirm it, you need to type in twice. As soon as you're done entering your information, click on a change button right over here, and after that your password will be saved automatically. So you'll be logged out of all the devices that you are currently logged in, and now you can log in with your updated information. In this way, you can change your password on Ubisoft. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.